Right now, ChatGPT is recommending one of your competitors who could have bought from you if you optimize the prompts you're tracking in AI. And in this video, I'm going to make that very easy for you. And I'm going to present you our tool on which you can do prompt tracking very easily and make it your own without having to put too much time and effort in, as it will be partially automated and done for you. So that will be really great. So for example, if ChatGPT answers and it's answering with one of your competitor, right? So your rent is not mentioned in this case. This is obviously a loss because now they're going to the competitor using a brand mention or ending up on the source directly through ChatGPT. And half of the buyers are not even going to Google anymore for their answer. They're directly answered in the chatbot, in the LLM, in wherever they're asking. So if you're not optimizing for that, your clicks are going to go down and you will see a huge decline in the amount of people that end up on your page. Even though your Google rankings still look good, right? You could still be like #1 in Google, #2 in Google. But if you aren't optimizing for prompts, you're going to miss out on a lot of traffic. So really what it is, it's pretty simple, is you want to pick, like it says 10 prompts, but you could do 5, you could do 15. The more the better, in my opinion, because you're targeting different angles on which your client or your potential customer could find you. And I'm going to show you that in the dashboard as well. And also using crowd reply on the dashboard, you'll be able to track multiple engines at the same time. And with engines, I'm meaning chatbots. And with multiple chatbots tracking, it saves you so much time because you don't have to log into all of the different chatbots to see whether you're mentioned or not. You don't have to log it yourself. We do all that for you. And it's on autopilot if you do it through our tool. So what I mean by that is if you go in our tool, you go to prompts. Obviously right now for demo purposes, I'm using ClickUp, but I'm tracking about 10 prompts right now of 25 depending on your plan. And you'll be able to see whether you're mentioned in this prompt or not. So let's say we click into one, like here, in 100% of all the prompts we're currently mentioned. And the way to track this is our tool actually runs a scrape every single day, and it's going to show you on the LLMs that you're tracking the exact output that it's giving. So you'll be able to see if you're mentioned in the prompts that you're tracking, or if you need to start optimizing, plus what competitors are in that prompt, because that's also like extremely important to know what are your competitors doing. And you might see competitors in there that in the first place you haven't even thought of, right? You could have literally see some guy in there that is optimizing for AI that's now listed amongst your company that you're like, hey, what is he doing? And now you can see the exact sources. So you can see where is he cited, where is he actually being talked about, and you can then start optimizing this for yourself as well. So this is something that we automatically do for you, and it's very important, right? Your mention rate obviously matters a lot when it comes to these prompts. Because if you're not mentioned a lot, that means your competitors are. So you want to track as many prompts as possible and start optimizing this over time. And now ClickUp has 100% mention rate. You can go, for example, in ClickUp review, right? Because it could actually have a negative sentiment about ClickUp when talking about a review. And this comes back to my point, reputational. Because if you go down, it might actually say competitors that we didn't even think of. So this is also why you want to start optimizing for mention rate, reputation, and also competitors, because this all interlinks with each other in our dashboard. So right here, you'll be able to see the exact top brands that it mentioned. Maybe if I was to click up, and I don't think that, but maybe they didn't consider Trello as their competitor. And now you're seeing, hey, Trello is being mentioned in the chatbot responses. So we should actually start optimizing for the places that they're actually available on, because that's a huge business opportunity, right? If they are citing Trello above them or below them or in the same list, that means that a customer could potentially go there first. So mention rate first is very important, and it loops into anything else. And like I said, you can see the citation sources as well here on our dashboard. So if you go into right here, you can see it uses all of these domains to basically form this answer. So if you want to influence this answer and to optimize for these prompts, you want to start engaging on this, or you want to start reaching out to these companies, for example, the marketingagency.ca, or, you know, like some blogs, bcmag.com, and ask them, hey, like, I have a CRM software. I see you guys have an article. Could you guys potentially list me in this article for XYZ price? And now you're influencing this exact source that AI has proven to be used be using. So yeah, that's what I would do. I would pick the sources to start optimizing for that. And then how a real team runs this is that somebody just goes into the platform, they check this every single month, and they see whether the score is going up or not, or whether you have to take steps in order for you to start engaging more or rising in the AI answer ranks. So that's where we come in drastically, right? So this is so easy. If you just go into prompts, target different ones, you can even add more prompts like this. For example, you can type best CRM software 2026, and then you want to know what people are talking about in the United States. You can add some of the suggestion prompts that we're having here. And this is a continuous thing you need to do over the course of months, and niche dependent how long it takes for you to start ranking in AI. Obviously, like if you're in a CRM niche, it might take a bit longer than if you're in a local niche, for example, for your area. So yeah, I would just start using our platform, checking out where you're standing, and then going from there. Because also, let's say you're going to start like an agency and you're trying to report back to your clients how you're doing AI visibility, as a lot of agencies start offering that right now. It's important to know like how you can report this, right? You can't just say like, yeah, I think you're mentioned in Google, or you have to do it all manually. Like you have to do 1 million searches in all the chatbots and to see whether you're mentioned or not. So what we did, like I showed earlier, is down here you can frame this yourself. We're working on a reporting feature as well, so that becomes really easy later on. But for now, you can kind of package all the data that you have right here. All the answers are already run for you, and then you can tell them, hey, like over the course of the past month, we've been able to see this answer in this chatbots, and you can export the exact answer that our tool is outputting, and you can then just package this nicely to either your boss, your employer, or your client if you're working as an agency. So it's very easy to report these numbers, as you cannot just tell them, yeah, I think that we're currently being mentioned, right? So yeah, so a lot of the manual work is what we're taking out. We don't have to do this ourselves anymore by using Crowd Reply. You'll be able to directly run all these prompts on autopilot with our tool. And yeah, in my opinion, this is the best way to start optimizing for AI answers. There's really no other tool out there that does it like us, and that gives you the detail that we do. So I hope this helped on how to track prompts and how to do this for yourself on autopilot. So if there's any questions like left, please drop me in the comments below, or book a demo call that's also found here in the description. And for now, guys, I'll check you guys in the next video.